Hi, this is Brad Miller, and I just wanted to make a quick screencast to try to answer some of the questions that have been coming up lately with the grading interface. So I'm in my test class here, and I'm going to go to the instructors page, click on the grading tab. All right, and so the first thing you'll notice is this big red message over here. So might be worth a second to read. Particularly if you're used to the way that things have always worked in the past, it would be good to review this. But let's suppose that we're here and we want to auto-grade an entire assignment. Okay, so to auto-grade an entire assignment, really easy. All we do is select Assignment, select the name of the assignment, the Reading 1 assignment. Notice it reminds us that the grades have not been released yet. And then to grade all the questions for all the students for this reading assignment, we don't do anything else. We're going to ignore the select all checkboxes here. That's what this warning is trying to get at down below. Hopefully sometime in the next couple months I'll get a chance to fix that up or to make this interface a little bit more modal so that it makes it clear when you're auto-grading versus not auto-grading. All right, so now we can decide, do we want to only check some work that was submitted before the deadline, or do we want to accept everything? We're going to keep the deadline in place. So then I'm going to just click auto-grade and display totals. And you can see, there we go, calculated totals for 10 students. Okay, nobody did very well, doesn't matter. I just made a bunch of test students for another feature that I was testing. Okay, so that's it. That's all we would have to do for auto-grade. If we want to go back and look at the grades for that, we can click on the Admin tab, click on the grade book, and see that everybody got a 0. All right. Let's go back. Okay. If we want to just touch up one student, all right, again, we have our reading 1. Now, if we just wanted to check on this one student here, we can select one student, do auto-grade and display totals. All right, so the only thing that we can't do is we can't select all students and all questions and expect the grading to work. So if we want to grade one question for all students, we can do that. We can select just that one section. Maybe we'll uncheck this, auto grade and display totals. All right. So that's all we need to do. If we were going to be doing some manual grading, then it's a completely different story. So let's say we want to grade EX210 and EX25, and let's say we want to do it for all students. Okay, that's what the multiple selection stuff is about, is so that it can display all of the questions over here and let us kind of quickly scroll through. Normally the way I think about this is I really just want to look at one exercise for all the students so that I can work my way through just this one question and see how all the students did in one go. All right. If you're using this, you can use the tab key, and the tab key will let you enter a grade here. We'll give this 1 point. Needs more work. Tabs again. Here, needs more work again. Right, we're seeing a trend in this assignment. So you don't have to, you can just tab from grade to grade, leave comments. When you see that the field has turned green, that means that the score has been recorded in the grade book online. Okay, so again, we could go to the admin tab here, click on the grade book, and see that now for the short answer assignment, we've got some more scores recorded. The chapter selection here is a good thing to use if you just want to go in and take a look at a particular question within a chapter. Right? So maybe we want to see within this Python Turtle chapter here, how did everybody do on Active Code 391? We can select all the students and we can then just see from the chapter. Now, these don't work with these are not part of an assignment. So this would work well for you if you don't worry about the Runestone gradebook at all, but you still want to, and you don't use the Runestone assignments at all. You just told your students, hey, do this active code in the chapter 4 or whatever it is for the Python Turtles, and the students did the work, and then you want to come back and look at it, and maybe you want to grade them here, but you're recording the grades in Moodle or whatever Canvas or whatever LMS you're using for your course. So you can still get to all the students' work. You can scroll through their timelines. You can run their code. You can do whatever you want to do without having to make a Runestone assignment. Okay, so I hope that clears up some of the confusion and emphasizes a little bit about the auto grade warnings. And if you do have questions, feel free to join us on our Slack channel or to come to our GitHub page and leave a question in one of the issues. Thanks for listening.